Hey, what's up? If you've ever opened Alight Motion and had no clue where to start, you're in the right place. This is the Alight Motion for Beginners series, and we're starting from zero. No jargon, no fluff, just you, your phone, and edits that actually look pro. Let's get into it. So let's start by adding marks on the timeline. Use the buttons above the timeline to move quicker between every mark. Now let's start by cutting and splitting the layer. So let's use the following buttons. The first button is to trim the layer on the left side, whilst the third button is to trim all that is on the right side. The second button, which is in the middle, is used to split the layer into two different layers. Let's move on to how to move your layers around in the timeline. So to move a layer horizontally, press and hold on it, like so, then move it around. To move it vertically, press and hold, but not directly on the layer, then it should look like this. To zoom in and out in your timeline, all you have to do is pinch, like so. Now, we move to the sound of the layer. Remember to always mute your clips when you edit. Now, let's move on to stretching the layers. This one looks similar to trimming and splitting a layer, but it is important, because you can stretch or shrink a layer to fit a beat. It is also used to time remap your clips to sync well with beats. This one's the Color and Fill tab. And this one is the Border and Shadow tab. In the Blending and Opacity tab. And here you'll find all the blending options and opacity. We can go through the blending in another video. Now we go to the Transform tab. Here you can move the layer around. Here you can rotate the layer. And here, you can scale the layer. The last one isn't very much important, so we can cover that one in another video. To duplicate, press on the layer and press here, you'll find an option to duplicate it. To copy a layer, press that same button and press copy. To select multiple layers, press and hold the button where the eyes are located. And to group them, go to the top and press the first one. The other two are mask grouping, and we can cover that in the next tutorial. Let's delete the other two layers real quick. This one is just to edit shape layers. The Start tab is to use your presets, which you saved. This can be helpful to help you edit faster and consistent. The Effects tab is where all the magic happens, the place where all creativity comes from. Well, since today's tutorial was just a showcase of how to use Alight Motion, I'm going to save the effects for another episode. I should have covered this in the beginning of the video, but let's keep things positive and proceed onwards. So here are all the shapes, and here is where you add your clips from. This is where your music comes from. And this one is the Object tab, where you'll find the camera and null objects. Here's the Template tab, where you can import stuff from different projects in other projects. The Freehand tab allows you to draw freely. The Vector Drawing tab allows you to create vector shapes. This can be used for many purposes, such as masking, shapes, etc. And finally, we got the text layer. The first button above allows you to align the text. The second button is your fonts. The third button is to scale your text. And the last button is to set its color. Well, there you have it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for part 2 of the Alight Motion Beginner series.